So I'm building an RC plane. Here's a sneak peek of it. So let's talk the three primary flight control surfaces of an aircraft. First up, let's talk about the ailerons. The ailerons are flaps on each wingtip to control the roll of the aircraft. As you can see on this model Cessna right here, you got the right aileron on the wingtip and the left aileron on the wingtip. When the aircraft rolls, it rolls about this red axis, also known as the longitudinal axis, and it runs through the nose. Ailerons move in different directions, and whichever aileron is up, that's where the aircraft is going to roll. For example, if I turn the yoke in the flight deck to the right, then the right aileron goes up, pushing that wing down, rolling to the right. Next up, we have the most important flight control in my opinion, the elevator. The elevator is a flap on the tail of the aircraft that moves up and down to control the pitch of the aircraft. As you can see on this model tail, you have the elevator, and these flaps move in the same direction. When a pilot uses the elevator to pitch down or pitch up, the aircraft rolls about the lateral axis, which is this green axis that runs through the wings. The elevators move with you, so when you pull up or pull back, the elevator moves up, vice versa. Now last, but definitely not least, is the rudder. The rudder, just like the other two control surfaces, is a flap, also located on the tail just like the elevator. It is located on the vertical stabilizer and it controls the coordination of a turn. As you can see on our model tail, you have the elevator right here, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the rudder right here, this little blue flap right here. When a pilot uses rudder, the aircraft moves about this blue axis right here, also known as the yaw axis. The yaw axis is where the lateral and longitudinal axes meet up. To use the rudder, a pilot pushes on the pedals down below by their feet and it goes with the turn. So if I push on the left rudder, the rudder turns left with me. The rudder is used usually when turning with the ailerons, but it's also used for crabbing, which I will talk about in another video. Follow for more and stay tuned for my RC plane video.